So that was a quite nice surprise this morning when I opened my Azure Data Factory. As you can see, the buttons has changed and has changed the name to Azure Data Factory Studio, and it's not on the right side anymore, but it's on the left side. And then when I opened the Azure Data Factory Studio, I thought I was opening Azure Synapse Analytics because it has the completely same look and feel as Synapse Analytics. But as you can see, all activities are now on the main page, like also the recent resources are there, the feature showcases, the resources, and some useful links. The activities has not been changed, they are still the same. But as you can see, the difference is you can see Data Factory over here, and if you go to Synapse Analytics, you will see Synapse Analytics Workspace. So this is a really great design. It's more fluid with better contrast. Thank you very much, Azure Data Factory product team. Thank you very much.